Okay. So as I said, hexagon of 40 mm sides. If I want hexagon of 40 mm side, 100 mm axis length. If I want to do, I've constructed hexagon of 40 mm sides. It is not rough sketch. It has to be drawn very properly, like how you do it for planes and solids. So I've constructed 40 mm sides hexagon. After constructing hexagon, put this hexagon in a four-cornered box. Okay. Once you put this in a four-cornered box, number the corners of the box, not the hexagon. Number the corner of the box. Bottom left corner is corner number 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. After doing this much, you please count the number of boxes. Don't use scale again over here to measure the box dimension. Count the number of boxes in the for this square. For example, if you have to do this in your regular planes or solids sheet, even in the exam also. Okay, you have to do this in the plane sheet. I'll show it to you how to do it. So let us assume I've constructed this gun. I've put a box from 1 to 2. There are around 6 box gap, and 2 meant to say 60 mm, and 2 to 3. Let us assume it is around 55 mm. Okay, let us assume this is 5.5 box gap. 5.5 box gap. This is 6 box gap. So 6, 5.5. Again, this is 6 boxes. Again, this is 5.5 boxes. Okay, this is how you have got your hexagon in the sheet. Now, how to construct? First, you have to construct this box 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1, and then later on constructing hexagon. It's 2 minutes job. So, observe how to construct. Now, on baseline, there are 2 lines like this at an angle 30 degree. If this is your named as corner number 1, from 1 to 2, what is the box gap? It is 6 boxes. 60 mm means 6 boxes. 70 mm means 7 boxes. 20 mm means 2 boxes, like that. So 60 mm, so 6 boxes. So from 1 to 2, it is 6 box gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is corner number 2. Now 2 to 3, it is 5.5 box gap in this direction. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. If this is 5, this is 6. Half of it, it is 5.5, roughly. Okay, so this is 5.5. Then again, this is column number 3. So 3 to 4, it is again 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is column number 4. Then 4 to 1, it is again 5.5 box gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. Okay, so like this, I have taken the box dimension, I have constructed here. So after doing this, please observe. Now you have to plot the hexagon on this box. Okay, let us name the box corners as A, B, C, D, E, F. This is only for your understanding. That's all. This you are not supposed to do it in the exam. Okay, mean to say the naming. Okay, naming it's just for your understanding. Please observe now. From corner number 1 to 2, how many corners of hexagon you have? In a line 1 to 2, how many corners of hexagon you have? Corner number 1, A and B. So you have 2 corners in between line 1 and 2. Correct? So count the box gap of that. Mean to say from 1, after how many box you have point A? Okay. From 2, after how many box you have point B? For example, this is one. There is one box gap from column 1 to A, and there is one more box gap from column 2 to B. Same way, 1 to 2, and from here, one box gap you name A, one box gap you name B. Okay, namings again I am telling it's just for your understanding. Till you understand, I am going to the namings. After that, direct solutions. Okay, so A and B. Now on corner number 2 to 3, how many corners of hexagon you have? You have only one corner of hexagon, that is C. How much? Exactly at the center of your 5.5. In between 2 to 3 line, exactly at the center you have corner number C. So 5.5 half is how much? 2.75. So from here 1, 2, 2.5, 2.75. So here I have corner number C. Okay. Now again 3 to 4. How many corners you have? E and D. How many box gap? From 3 after one box you have D. From 4 after one box you have E. So from here this is D. From here this is E. Then again this is exactly at 2.75. At 2.75 I am going to name it as F. It's just box gap counting. You don't have to take any scale and measure it, and accordingly you should not do it. You should count only the box gap. That's all. So after this, A to B there's a line, B to C there's a line, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to E. So this is how you construct hexagon in isometry. Okay. What is the axis length? 100. So from each and every corner, draw vertical line and count 100 boxes and finish. Okay, so from here, from here, from here, 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 100 box here. 100 means 100 mm access length means 10 box gap. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is top F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is C. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us this D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is E. Okay. So if I connect F, F to A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. This is the top hexagon. And outermost boundary line dark. So draw outermost boundary line dark, and line which has entered into the solid, those lines you have to erase. Means bottom face, innermost line. This is outer, outer, outer. This portion has gone inside the solid. Erase this. This one, this one, okay, and this one. So these lines you have to erase. And once you understand, you remove everything, whatever it is not required for you. You want only hexagonal prism, that's all. You don't have to do anything else. Erase all the namings, numberings, and all. Okay, which is not necessary. So this is how you construct hexagonal prism on the sheet. Okay, right. I'll repeat this again for your pyramid. Please observe. Now, hexagonal pyramid of 30 mm sides, 60 mm axis length. 30 mm sides means I'll construct hexagon of 30 mm sides. How to do the construction of hexagon? That you know already, circle method. So 30 mm sides means take 30 in the compass, take a scale, take it, draw a circle, left and right you mark it, up and down cutting, up and down cutting, so you'll get hexagon of 30 mm sides. Put this hexagon in a 4-corner box, straight box. So yeah, erase this and this. So this is 4-corner box. Bottom left as corner number 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us assume here this is 5 and this is 4. 5 box, 4 box. Okay, here 1 to 2 is 5 box gap, 2 to 3 is 4 box gap, like that. Okay, so now let us construct. So 1 to 2, this is column 1. 1 to 2 is 5 box gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is column number 2. And 2 to 3 is 4 box gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. This is column number 3. 3 to 4 is 5 box gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is column 4. 4 to 1 is again 4 box gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, everything is set. Now, in this hexagon has 6 corners, out of which in 1 to 2 9 you have 2 corners, that is A and B. How many box gap? 0.75, 0.7. Let us assume one box got a 1 box gap. From corner number 1 to A, it is 1 box. From corner number 2 to B, it is 1 box gap. Okay, so like that, one. This is A, this is B. Okay, on 2 to 3 line, you have only one corner, that is corner number C, exactly at the center. So 1, this is corner number C. Now on 3 to 4, again you have 2 points D and E. So again at 1 box gap. So from here 1 box D, 1 box E. Okay, and again F is at the center, F in the center, connected. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. Okay, this is how you have got hexagon in isometric way. If it is a prism, from each and every corner draw vertical line and count the number of boxes vertically as of the axis length and finish it off. If it is pyramid, get the midpoint. How to get the midpoint? Same like how you do it in regular hexagon, drawing diagonal line, draw it. Projection line style, don't draw it too dark. Okay, so this is the midpoint, axis length. Say if it is 100, so from here 10 box count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the top tip. So from top tip to each and every corner, you have to do a dark line. Okay, and bottom face innermost lines to be erased. So erase outer, outer, outer. This portion is in. how you do hexagonal pyramid. Okay, first term of hexagonal pyramid, I'll show it to you how to do it in the system. Okay, so any doubts, please let me know. I'll stop the recording. I'll split the recordings, sheet work separately and system work separately, so that file size will be less and easy for you to send it in WhatsApp. Okay, so now, yeah, I'll show you how to do it in the sheet. Please observe system. Please observe.